Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive south on US Highway 61 in Vernon County, Wisconsin, beginning at around mile 93 as we enter the city of Westby. Here, US-61 runs concurrent with US-14 and is locally named Railroad Street according to some maps. The actual name of the street here may be North Main, but there are no signs, so maybe someone local to Westby can give the correct names in the comments. Westby was named after general store owner and Civil War Union soldier Ole T. Westby of Biri, Norway, where many of the city's Norwegian-American settlers originated. The Chicago, Milwaukee, St. Paul, and Pacific Railroad began servicing Westby and surrounding townships in August 1879, and the La Crosse and Southeastern Railroad began service to the area in January of 1905, though both railroads have long since ceased local operations. The Westby Depot was torn down in 1970. Westby has one of the largest ski jumping hills in the United States. The Snowflake Ski Club hosts an annual ski jump event at the end of January and the beginning of February. The event includes a parade to introduce all of the participating countries, a competition for snowflake royalty, and opportunities for local businesses to sell their wares. The event attracts competitors from all over the ski jumping world. Westby had an estimated population of 2,255 as of 2019. Through town and beyond, we pick up a concurrency with Wisconsin State Highway 27. we enter the city of Viroqua, the county seat of Vernon County. Viroqua had an estimated population of 4,402 as of 2019. Viroqua is an accredited Main Street America city. Its downtown is listed on the Wisconsin and National Register of Historic Places. Viroqua was dubbed the town that beat Walmart by Smithsonian Magazine in 1992 because it fostered businesses that coexist with the retail giant. The city and its nonprofit Chamber of Commerce, the Viroqua Chamber Main Street, actively promotes small business development through several state and federal programs. One noteworthy program that has kept downtown storefronts occupied has been the Pop-Up Shop Initiative, which allow entrepreneurs to use a space downtown rent-free for the holiday season. The Temple Theater, seen on the right at the 9-minute 12-second mark, serves as an arts and cultural center for surrounding counties. A $1.6 million restoration of the 1922 classical revival-style vaudeville and movie theater was driven by volunteers. At Decker Street, we intersect with State Trunk Highway 56 and pick up yet another concurrency with State Highway 82. We conclude today's video as we leave the city limits of Viroqua near mile 83. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.